Woodpeckers, welcome back. Welcome back to Wood and Whiskey. It's Wednesday. It's been a while. Gotten a lot done. Made some changes in the shop. Not ready to come back just yet. But I did make something special for the 4th of July for a subscriber who commented on any video last month. Super excited the way this one came out. 250th logo on it that AI generated for me. And while I have not been filming, I still drink whiskey. Sometimes it's for y'all, and sometimes it's just for me. But this one is for y'all. It's a single barrel. So delicious. So, like I said, we've had. I'm gonna try to post a bunch of different projects that have been out of the shop here lately. More projects this weekend that's got to get done. But we do want to celebrate you. Celebrate the 250th, absolutely, but celebrate those that I don't even know what the word is. Celebrate those that give to me. Not monetarily give to me, although some of you have. But a view, a like, subscribing, sharing, commenting, all of that does build a brand. And that's why I do giveaways. And for the last 2 months, I haven't done any giveaways. I'm just, working. That's why I wanted to make this. So without any further ado, we're going to go back to the big wheel. And I'm going to try to bring you closer this time so you can see it. So those are the folks that commented last month. That's all it takes. Subscribe, comment, get your name on a wheel. Good golly, Miss Molly. So Night Reunited, she has won on the channel before. Very, very big supporter of what we do here in the shop. Super excited that this is going to go out to them. They used to be a lot closer to me, and closer as in, distance wise, not, friendship wise. So now I got to pack it up and mail it off. Quite happy to do. Hope you all enjoy it. Hope you have a good spot for it. Your entire house is going to be almost double to an emporium by now. But I do appreciate y'all, all of you. We will do another giveaway next month, even if I do not put out weekly videos. Share with your friends. Let them know that's what goes down here. Go in the little comment box. Let me know what you want to see as a giveaway. Or, better yet, an idea for an episode. Season 2, it's going to be different. Not really, a little bit. Got some ideas, not many. I could use your help. Until that time, I will continue to saw, sand. We will always sip here and repeat. And I think I did that all in one take, minus the time that I didn't know what the word was. But I think I'm going to go with it because I don't really have the time to edit. Appreciate y'all. Bye.